Today is a very, very exciting day. We've just completed the very first containment cell for the Lakeview Waterfront connection. We're building a 64-acre conservation area right smack at the epicenter of 6.2 million people in an urban setting. That's quite unique. There's always been a missing connection across the waterfront between Toronto and Mississauga because of all the industrial use and the utility use that was on this site. So by creating this, we've now connected 9.5 new kilometers of shoreline for water's edge experience for the public.
The initial phase of construction is to create confinement cells. We use imported rubble material from demolition projects. That allows us to create a confinement cell to accept fill material. So that'll be progressing from the west limit of the project to the east limit at Marie Curtis Park. Once the confinement cells are filled to capacity, we'll be constructing the wetland features as well as doing the terrestrial grading and habitat construction.
So the Lakeview Waterfront connection has 3 incredibly wonderful and strong partners. The Region of Peel, we had their engineering staff, so they quantified everything we did. And then we had incredible habitat restoration biologists from the Credit Valley Conservation Authority to collaborate along with the Toronto Regional Conservation Authority's restoration experts and put them together with the Region of Peel's engineers and the fill that comes from the Region of Peel's projects. What could we build that would be beneficial to the environment and the community? And one of the unique benefits about this project is that we're taking fill, which would normally be thrown out, and we're using it as a resource. It's the first time in the history of the Region of Peel where we've reintroduced wetlands, we've reintroduced fish, migrating bird habitat, wildlife habitat. Just in the GTA alone, we've eliminated 93% of our wetlands. Wetlands are critical for cleaning the water that goes back into Lake Ontario and the Great Lakes, which is the water we drink and the water future generations will drink. We'll be able to use this as an example to hopefully to other municipalities so that they can understand how important it is to restore our natural environment.